Everyone dreams. Some dream small and some dream big. But a big dream, it's more than just an idea. It's a fire within you. It's a calling that won't let you sleep, won't let you settle, and won't let you give up. Explain that a big dream is something that feels almost impossible, something that both excites and terrifies you. A big dream isn't just a goal, it's a purpose that makes you come alive. Asterisk examples of big dreams. Mention famous personalities like Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, or Walt Disney, who had dreams that others called impossible, but they kept going. Asterisk the common struggle. Most people give up on their dreams because it's tough. They start with enthusiasm, asterisk, but obstacles come up. Life gets hard, people discourage them, and self-doubt creeps in. Asterisk, the pain of regret. But think about this. What's more painful, working toward your dream or looking back years later, wondering what could have been? 1. Set clear goals. Break down your big dream into smaller, achievable goals. 2. Take action daily. The difference between dreamers and achievers is action. Do something every single day, even if it's a small step that moves you closer to your dream. 3. Believe in yourself. No one else will believe in your dream as much as you do. You have to be your biggest supporter. 4. Learn from failure. Failing doesn't mean your dream is impossible. Failure is a stepping stone, a lesson that makes you stronger and wiser. 5. Asterisk power of visualization. See yourself achieving your dream. Feel the pride, the joy, the fulfillment. Make that vision so clear that it fuels you every day. Asterisk example. Brief story of someone who visualized their success daily and eventually achieved their dream, like an athlete who trained relentlessly or a successful entrepreneur. Asterisk closing message. You're capable of more than you think. Your big dream is waiting for you. It won't be easy and you will struggle. But when you achieve it, the feeling will be worth every hardship. Asterisk call to action. If you have a big dream, don't let it stay just a dream. Start today. Take one step forward, no matter how small. Comment below what your big dream is, and let's inspire each other to make them real. Remember, it's never too late to chase what you're passionate about. Go after it. No excuses.